In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new campaign in Salesforce. Starting a campaign can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but with these steps, you'll be able to navigate the process smoothly and with confidence. So, let's get started by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub, where you begin the journey of crafting a new campaign tailored to your specific needs. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, the next step is to click on the App Launcher. Now, if you're new to Salesforce, the App Launcher is like your toolkit, giving you access to different features and functions, each designed to help you better manage your projects. From here, you'll want to locate and click on Campaigns. This section is your command center for creating and managing all the campaigns you'll oversee. With the Campaigns tab open, the next action to take is to click on the New button. It's exciting because this is your opportunity to start from scratch. Here, you'll begin by inputting a name for your campaign. Think carefully. A name should be descriptive enough to easily identify the campaign's purpose later on. Now, once you have your campaign name set, it's time to focus on the active setting. Toggling this option to active means your campaign is live and can interact with other components in Salesforce. Moving forward, you'll need to select a campaign type. This is crucial because it helps categorize your campaign, making it easier to filter and report on various aspects. Alongside type, there's the status feature. This keeps the campaign organized, letting you track its progress, whether it's in planning, in progress, or completed. Next, you need to set the start and end dates of your campaign. These dates are important as they determine the duration of your campaign and help keep your timeline structured and on track. Right below it, you'll see fields for expected revenue and budgeted cost. The expected revenue indicates how much you anticipate earning from this campaign, while the budgeted cost is your spending plan, helping monitor financial health. If pertinent, add a description to give more context to those who might interact with this campaign later. You can also indicate the number sent in this campaign, which would detail the outreach or communication efforts executed. Further, an input on expected responses can be valuable, showing your goals for engagement and feedback from your campaign. Once you've filled in all necessary information, with everything detailed and then double-checked, the final step is to click on Save. And with that, congratulations. You've successfully navigated through the process and created a new campaign in Salesforce. Remember, effectively managing these details can significantly enhance your strategic planning and execution within Salesforce. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to dive back in whenever you're ready to start your next campaign.